Teenagers. This war zone is usually taped off, waiting for the forensics, but today you are seeing an edited, cleaned out version of my eldest son's room, who happens to love the surf. Max's room needed block-coloured linen to contrast with his busy walls. Every teenage room should have greenery added to, for extra oxygen. And as many washing baskets as you can manage to hide the mess. That's my very best tip. My 9-year-old is a mad collector of little stuff. Thank God for cool felt storage containers. We chose artwork in here that will grow with him, and one day he might say, wow, my mum was cool, but in the meantime I've made sure he has a fun mix of linen on the bed and a good place to stash his books. Kids' rooms are best not niched. Invest in the good stuff for them, it'll go the distance and it will eventually save you money and your sanity.